Hello and welcome to Alice's Garden and Plate. I help the garden community by sharing my knowledge on garden planting, preserving methods, and recipes to eliminate the overwhelm of it all. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to amend your soil in raised beds. My soil in these raised beds are around 7 years old. I have slowly built the nutrient level to keep feeding the microorganisms. Microorganisms break down organic matter, and their poop and everything helps feed your garden. The other thing with healthy soil, you're going to have more of a disease resistance for your plants. Most gardeners will rotate their crops every year because one plant will leave one thing into the soil that the other one likes. I don't do that. I just keep amending my soil to keep the disease away and also the nutrient level high. So each step I'm going to go through is a nice close-up so you can see how I amend my soil.
The products that I will be using is an all-purpose fertilizer, perlite, and pine wood shavings as a mulch.
One of the other things that I really like to use is cover crops. That keeps your soil structure high and adds nutrients back into the soil. That's a wonderful thing because it breaks down and feeds the microorganisms that I discussed earlier. And you won't have your soil keep going down and getting eroded. So you don't have to keep buying all topsoil and stuff like that and keep putting it in. So it's an absolute wonderful thing to do. I usually do it 6 weeks before my first fall frost.
The perlite all-purpose fertilizer by Dr. Earth and the cover crops are going to be mixed together with a hard rake and smoothed out. Perlite is sterile and non-toxic, and it can be used in organic gardening. It helps aerate the soil.
I use pine shavings that are thin from Tractor Supply. It's one of the things that protects the soil as a mulch, and over time will break down and go into the soil itself and feed the microorganisms.
Watering down the wood shavings will help them stay in the bed. Otherwise, they'll be taken right off in the wind.
If you liked today's episode, click that like button so therefore the algorithm will work in your favor. By subscribing to the channel, you'll be notified of new content. Thanks for viewing.